I got one wall started. Nice and level. Nice and plumb. Just hanging a ladder off the peak here. It's the easiest way I know of getting up on these things. I just pull a ladder apart and use the little hooks to hold the ladder up. Not real OSHA approved, but it works for me. Man, do I got a lot of snow to clean out of the cabin. But right now I'm just trying to get the sidewalls built on these dormers. As you see, I got that one. I don't know if I'd advise doing this when you're here by yourself, but I've been doing this long enough, I guess I should be aware of the dangers involved. So, and nothing better than a little ice and snow on a roof deck to create an accident. Yeah, so today Jason's supposed to run the side-by-side over with the snowplow on it. I'm going to try to open up a bit of a path back here. A little bit anyhow. The snow is getting a little too deep to try to pull trailers through with the little four-wheeler. We don't have a plow for that one, so. Let's see what this looks like. Actually, looks like it's got to come in a bit. No, that one's got a knot right on it, so I think I'll keep it right there. That looks pretty damn good. $66.25. That is from long to long. That is 46 7/8. That's the same as what the other side was. Yeah, just like it should be. Well guys, another cool crisp one today. Clear blue skies though. So now I just figured I'm gonna get some solid sheeting that I had laying around the place on these sides and faces of these dormers, so I have a solid surface to flash shingle tins and stuff to before the actual siding goes over them. Made some more rafters. These are a little different for the end because the ridge board will be attached to these versus these being attached to the ridge board. So these look a little bit different than the big ones. Ladder slipped while I was up there, gave me a little bit of a scare. Now I got to figure out my ridge board after my fingers thaw out. It's a beautiful day out here, it's just cold. Fortunately, the wind's not blowing too much. Well, another pretty Minnesota morning. One more day of shoveling a little bit more snow, cleaning up. Like I said, you gotta admit, it is beautiful after a nice fresh snowfall. Got about another 4 inches last night. And I'll be doing a little shoveling and cleanup this morning, and then I'll try to get up on that dormer, get that face covered, and then hopefully start working on the ridge board and then the rafters for these two little dormers. Get this front done, I can probably dry it in and then start working on the back side. Yeah, I should really clean off the roof and shovel more snow today, but after plowing out the driveway and shoveling off the deck and everything up at the house, I think I've had enough playing in the snow, and then just with fighting with that a little bit, I think I'll call it good for the day.